Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our new normal school year 2020-2021. Now, I will give some information about grading system, schedule, and parents' guide on online distance learning. There is no new DepEd order yet regarding the new grading system for the remote learning that we are going to adopt this school year. Therefore, we are going to follow the current DepEd's grading system until further notice. All students' activities, tests, written outputs, and performance tests should be kept until such time there is a concrete grading system to follow. When the DepEd releases a new grading system, students' grades will be recomputed accordingly. Until then, MIP's grading system is in status quo. On schedules, elementary classes begin from 8 a.m. and ends 2 p.m. from Monday to Thursday, while junior high school classes begin from 8 a.m. and ends 3 p.m. Homeroom period, independent cooperative learning, film showing, practical tests, research work, examination, consultation, submission of tasks, and other concerns are scheduled every Friday for elementary and every Wednesday for junior high school. Regular class schedule is distributed to all pupils and students from grades 1 to 12. These will be followed regularly, like attending classes in traditional face-to-face learning. Each schedule has always a morning routine from 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. for morning prayer and for teachers' reminders. There is a regular break, recess, lunch break for each schedule. Pupils and students have a regular academic consultation time. If there are some questions and concerns, submission schedule if teachers have deadline to submit the tasks assigned. Please see the schedule given. Core subjects such as English, Math, Science, Filipino, Araling Panlipunan have 2 meetings online, one synchronous and one asynchronous. Only these subjects have books to be issued. Specialized subjects, MAPE for elementary, MAPE for high school, Christian Living Education or CLE, Values Education, TLE for junior high school, EPP for intermediate, computer, have only one online meeting a week, but tasks are continuously done through asynchronously. Students need to provide official MIPS notebook for them to use during lectures and activities, instead of many papers and sheets. Notebook will be checked as part of students' portfolio. For Parents' Guide to support online learning. In a learning environment characterized by independent learning and reduced direct instructional time with teachers, the school and home partnership is more important than ever. The parents, guardians, play a vital role in the success of online modular learning by providing a home atmosphere that is safe, secure, and conducive to the cognitive growth of young learners. Parents, guardians may help in a significant way to establish the following routines. Waking hours, just like in a regular school day. Maintain school night bedtime hours for enough sleep. Have a study habit. Set up a dedicated workspace for online learning. Follow a schedule that is based on their needs. Complete academic work as best as possible. And practice regular physical exercise and proper hygiene for health and wellness. They should also monitor and check their children's daily activities and progress. Parents will serve as the child's coach at home. However, they will take the challenge as children's teacher during online class. Parents are not the ones to make their children's tasks, yet independence should be practiced. Parents will adopt and prepare an atmosphere of learning at home. The school recognizes that families have different living conditions and varying resources available at home. The household does not have access to any computer device or Wi-Fi. The student has technical problems or questions related to hardware and software platforms. The student is unable to engage in digital work due to sickness or power interruption or even internet disruption. The school recognizes that families have different living conditions and varying resources available at home. With those conditions, parents are urged by the school to disclose if they are experiencing such issues. The school wants to see greater initiative from the students in reaching out to teachers concerning lessons and assignments, considering that learning and character development are taking place away from the school. Just the same, parents, guardians are responsible for supporting them, say would under normal circumstances. Hence, communication on academic matters should ideally begin between the student and her teacher. If further conversation is needed, the parent, guardian, could reach out to the school through the proper channels. There is a schedule for consultation. Concerns will be discussed on the given schedule. So, let us all encourage our children to attend the class religiously. My dear parents, thank you for listening. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Welcome once again to school year 2020-2021. Stay safe. God bless us all. This is Mrs. Soledad M. Cabinte and K-6 Academy Coordinator.